The table below shows the monthly rainfall in millimetres recorded at a weather station over a 1 year period. I know where this one's going. The 6 mean smooth monthly rainfall centering on May. Now, because it's 6, we've basically got to choose 6 values to the left of May, 6 values to the right, and then average them. All right, so what I'm going to do is my 6 values here. So 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. I'm going to choose those values there, and I'm going to take an average. So what am I going to do? Let's do this way, because I normally retype all the values in, but let's be cleverer. So 80.6, 56.4, 59.3, 93.5, 186.4, and 83.2, and I'm going to divide that by 6. Here's my answer. So we know on the left hand side that's going to be 93. Oh, I've done it again. 93.2333. I'm not going to round any of these values until the very, very end. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically repeat the process, but on this side, using 6 values centered around that side. Okay, hopefully this all makes sense. So I'm going to go from 56 all the way up to 126.4. So now I'm going to copy that down. I'm going to edit it. I'm going to get rid of the 80.6 because that's no longer there, but I'm going to put in 126.4. Hit enter. Now that gives me and again 100.867. How am I now going to do this? I add those two values together and divide by 2. I take the average of those. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to add it to that, and obviously notice my calculator has got so many more numbers. I'm going to divide that by 2. Gives me a 97.05, and because it's looking for closest to, that would be 97.1. B would be my correct answer.